Hey, have you ever thought about starting your own t-shirt brand? Maybe you've got a killer design or just want to cash in on that booming industry. Here's the thing, if you don't know how to create professional designs and prepare them for print, you're going to waste time and money and probably end up with a pile of t-shirts that nobody wants to buy. So that's why I created this course, How to Start a T-shirt Printing Business with CorelDRAW. This isn't just a design tutorial, but a step-by-step blueprint to turn your ideas into print-ready designs and get them into real t-shirts that actually sell. I'll walk you through everything from mastering CorelDRAW's design tools, applying typography, tricks, special effects, and the exact settings you're going to need for different print methods such as direct-to-garment or sublimation. There is no experience needed. You're going to learn everything from scratch. So don't worry if you've never used CorelDRAW before. I'm going to make it super easy for you to follow with step-by-step instructions. By the end of this course, you'll have everything you need and all the skills to design and create professional high-quality t-shirts that are ready for printing and selling online. If you've ever been thinking about starting a t-shirt business, then don't waste months trying to figure it out alone. Jump onto this course and I'll show you everything that you need to know how to do it the right way the first time. I'll see you guys on the inside.